And well, especially for example, my kids don't need a manager. They grow up. They are investigating things, learning things, ask me things sometimes to guide them. And I try to do the best that I can. But yeah, well, let's make it a bit simpler than today. Yeah,
Yeah, I love that.
we are, yeah, we are. Well, we are. I think we are successful in making things so complex, and hopefully, my students are doing that better. Make it easier for themselves and for the customers and for their colleagues to that they can do what they choose to do with an intrinsic motivation, not bothered by rules or playbooks, or they have the knowledge to do it. And if they don't have it, they can ask someone else to share their knowledge and to learn from each other and try to find the best way together.